it projects from the rectum and generally present on the right side of the rectum. So this one here. Then the third fold or the lower fold, it lies 2.5 centimeter below to the middle Houston wall, and it is generally present on the left side. Sometimes that is the fourth fold may be present on the left wall of the 2.5 centimeter about below to that the middle fold. Okay? Then the arterial supply of that is the rectum. So here in this diagram you can see that is the arterial supply. So arterial supply, that is very much important, because the venous drainage or the veins from the rectum that should be drained into the portal circulation and also into that the systemic circulation. So the first, the superior rectal artery. So here in this diagram you can see the superior rectal artery. So this one. So this is the chief artery of the rectum, and it is the continuation of the inferior mesenteric artery, and it divides opposite side of the third sacral vertebra. So here you can see that should be divides. Okay? Each branch breaks up into the several branches and goes on the right side and the left side of the rectum. Okay? And it should be goes downwards near to the anal walls of the anal canal. So here you can see this one. Okay? Then the middle rectal artery. So middle rectal artery, here you can see this is the middle rectal artery. So middle rectal artery, it is the continuation of the internal iliac artery, this one, and they are supply only the superficial part of that is the rectum. Okay? And the last one, that is the inferior rectal artery. So this one. So it should be supplied to the lower part of the rectum, and it is the branch of the internal pudendal artery, this one. Okay? After then we should have to see that is the venous drainage of the rectum. So for this again we should have to see that is the diagram of the venous drainage. So here in this diagram you can see that is the venous drainage. So first, that is the superior rectal vein. So this one. So it is the tributaries of the veins begins from the anal canal. Here you can see from the internal forming the internal rectal venous plexus in front of the about the 6 veins. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be forming the internal rectal venous plexus. Okay? They passes upwards in the rectal submucosa and then the muscular coat and continue upward as a inferior mesenteric artery. And this inferior mesenteric artery, it should be drained into that the portal vein. Then the next, that is the middle rectal vein. So here that is the middle rectal vein. So middle rectal vein, they drains chiefly the muscular wall of the ampulla and open into that the internal iliac vein. And the internal iliac vein, that is drained into the inferior vena cava, means that should be drained into that the systemic circulation. And the inferior rectal vein, this one, that should be again drained into that the internal venous plexus, which is drained into that the middle rectal vein and drained into that the internal iliac vein. Okay? Then the lymphatic drainage. So here you can see that is the lymphatic drainage. So lymphatics from the major part, that is the upper part of the upper half of the rectum, passes along with there superior rectal vessel to the inferior mesenteric lymph node. Okay? So here that is the, you can see that is the upper part of the or the upper half part of that is the rectum, that should be drained, which is drained by the superior rectal vessels ठीक है. So that should be drained into the inferior mesenteric lymph nodes, this one, and the lymphatics from the lower half of the rectum, so this one, which is supplied by the middle rectal vessel, that should be drained into the internal iliac lymph nodes. ठीक है. After then, that is the nerve supply. So that is the nerve supply of the rectum. So it is supplied by both sympathetic and the parasympathetic nerve. The sympathetic nerve, that is comes out or supply the L1 and L2 spinal nerves, and the parasympathetic, that is supplied by the S2, S3 and S4 spinal nerves. ठीक है. While that is the sensation of distension of the rectum, that should be done by the parasympathetic nerve, and while the pain sensation are carried by both sympathetic and the parasympathetic nerve. ठीक है. After then, we should have to see that is the supports of the rectum. So here that is the supports. So first, that is called the fascia of Waldeyer. So the fascia of Waldeyer, it attaches to the lower part of, that is the rectal ampulla. So here to that the sacrum. So from this region, that the fascia is present, and it is formed by the condensation of the pelvic fascia. ठीक है. So that is called the fascia of Waldeyer. Then the second is, that is the pelvic floor. So here in the lesser pelvis, that is the pelvic floor is present. So the pelvic floor, that should be also give support to that the rectum. Then the third one, that is the lateral ligament of the rectum. So it both lateral side of the rectum, that the ligament is present, and they are formed by the condensation of the pelvic fascia on each side of the rectum. ठीक है. And the last one, that is the rectovesical fascia. So it extends from the rectum below to the seminal vesicle. So here, and the prostate in front. So from seminal vesicle to the prostate and the lower part of the rectum, that the fascia is present, that is called the rectovesical fascia. Here you can see that is the rectovesical pouch, and below to it that the fascia is present, that is called the rectovesical fascia. After then, that is the pelvic peritoneum. ठीक है. That is related to present and help to keeping the rectum into that the proper position. ठीक है. So these are the supports of the rectum. Then the last one, that is the digital examination per rectum. So here throughout the anus, that is the digital examination that should be done. ठीक है. So that is called the PR examination, per rectal examination. And throughout this, if the finger or the index finger, it should be inserted throughout that the anal canal into that the lower part of the rectum. And in the male, because of that is the digital examination, per rectal examination, you can examine the posterior surface of the prostate. So here, then the seminal vesicle, this one, and the vas deferentia. ठीक है. And in the female, it should be examine the perineal body, cervix, and occasionally sometimes that is the ovary may be palpated. ठीक है. And in both sex, that is the posterior side, that is the anorectal ring. So here into that the anorectal ring should be present. Posterior side, that is the coccyx and the sacrum, it should be examined. ठीक है. Then both lateral side, that is the ischiorectal fossa, both in the male and female, that should be examined. So here you can see this is the rectum and anal canal, and both lateral side, that is the fossa is present. So that is called the ischiorectal fossa. So it should be examined. ठीक है. So these are the examination which is done by the per rectal examination, or that is called the PR examination or the digital examination. ठीक है. Then the proctoscopy. So here in this diagram, that is like the colonoscopy, that is the proctoscope, it should be passes into that the anal canal to out the rectum, and throughout this, that is the examination of the rectum that should be done. So that is called the proctoscopy. And second one, that is the sigmoidoscopy. So sigmoidoscopy, that should be done by the scope. It should be passes into that throughout the anal canal into that the rectum, and the internal structure of the rectum that should be seen. So that is called the proctoscopy and the sigmoidoscopy. Okay. Then the prolapse of rectum. Okay. So complete prolapse. So in this diagram you can see that is the internal structure of that is the rectum, that is covered by the mucosal membrane. Okay. So and this mucosal membrane that should be connected to that the muscular wall by the submucous membrane. So submucous membrane that consists of the loose connective tissue. So if the patient continuously strain for the passage of the fecus, so that is the connective tissue present into the submucous membrane, it should be breaks, and because of the mucous membrane of that is the rectum, that should be comes out throughout the anal canal and passes throughout the anus. So that is called the mucosal prolapse or incomplete prolapse. And after the defecation, that the mucosal wall that should be again passes into that the rectum. Okay. So that is called the mucosal prolapse or incomplete prolapse. Sometimes that is the total wall, mucosal wall, it should be breaks, and that should be comes out throughout the anus, and it cannot be passes backward after the defecation. So it is called complete prolapse, or that clinical condition it is called the procedentia. Okay. Then this some clinical point that is related with that is the rectum, that is the IBD, means irritable bowel syndrome. Sometimes that is the rectum is suffered by the chronic colitis and the amoebic dysentery. Okay. So these are the clinical points related with the rectum. After then, that is the histology of the rectum. So the same 4 layers that should be present in case of the rectum. That is, internally it is covered by the mucous membrane that consists of the columnar epithelial cell. Then outer to it, that is the submucous layer is present, which is made by the loose connective tissue and consists of the blood vessels and the glands and the nerves. Then that is the outer layer to it, that is the muscular layer is present, which is internally covered by the circular muscular tissue, and externally that is by the longitudinal muscular coat, and outermost side that is covered by the adventitia. Okay. So these are the histology of the rectum. सेमिलुनरिस है ना, जैसे डायग्राम हमने निकाला था वैसे ही स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहे हैं. ड्यूडेनम में हमने बोला था ज़्यादा डेंस रहती है, जैसे नीचे जाएंगे जेजुनम में कम और इलियम में एकदम कम हो जाएगी. देखिए ट्रांसवर्स फोल्ड, सो इट विल इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया फॉर द एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड द डाइजेशन ऑफ द फूड. Duodenum, C-shaped duodenum you can see, and here that is the head of pancreas is present, lower side the uncinate process, body, tail, and this is the ending of the spleen. So tail of the pancreas that is attached to that the spleen. Here that is the splenic vessel you can see. दिख रही है vessel?
नहीं दिखी सर.
वीडियो में दिखी जाएगी. ये उसोफेजियल, 2 ओपनिंग, ये क्रस ऑफ डायफ्राम दिख रहे हैं, राइट क्रस, ये फाइबर देखो, सेंट्रल टेंडन कैसे आए हैं दोनों साइड से. ठीक है. सो राइट क्रस ऑफ फाइबर, लेफ्ट क्रस ऑफ फाइबर, दैट शुड बी in turn with each other and it should be formed, that is the central tendon. और central tendon पे ही क्या रहता है, that is upper side में thoracic cavity में heart. बराबर है. ठीक है. This is the duodenum and pancreas. duodenum ध्यान में आ गया. C shape, first part, second part, third part and this is the fourth part. बराबर. यहाँ से मैं कट करता हूँ duodenum. एंटीरियर एक, इंफीरियर एक, पोस्टीरियर. बराबर है. कौन सी है, नाम याद है? टीनिया लिब्रा, टीनिया ओमेंटालिस एंड टीनिया मेसोपोटामिया। ठीक है, अनंत थ्रेड है ना?
यस
थ्रेड लेके